Welcome my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, blue color, dark green color, orange color, light green color, red color, brown color and yellow color. This is black marker. Which color? Black color. Let's draw 2D shapes. I am drawing pie. This is pie. Draw cross. Draw pentagon. Pentagon. This is circle. Circle. Rhombus. Draw rhombus. I am drawing right triangle. Pie, cross, pentagon, circle, rhombus and right triangle. Let's coloring 2D shapes. This is pie. This is yellow color. Coloring pie. Blue color. Coloring cross. Dark green color. Coloring pentagon. Pink color. Coloring circle. Red color. Coloring rhombus. Orange color. Coloring right triangle. Hello kids, like and subscribe my channel.